Imagine waking up tomorrow and realizing this. Money still exists, but it no longer means debt. No one is born owing. Student loans don't chain your 20s. Mortgages don't own your life for 30 years. Credit cards don't stalk your every mistake. So what changes? First, the story. Today, most money is created as debt. Every dollar in your account is someone else's obligation. Banks issue credit, you pay it back with interest, and the system needs you slightly anxious, slightly behind, always running. But imagine a world where money begins not as a loan, but as a shared dividend. New money enters the economy as a universal income, or as a reward for things that actually strengthen society. Healing land, teaching, caring for the sick, building tools that help everyone, not just shareholders. In this world, wealth is not a measure of how much interest you extract, but how much value you create and how many lives you improve. Taking a risk doesn't mean gambling your entire future on one bad month. Starting a business isn't a heroic act of debt, it's a normal act of contribution. What happens to you? You still work, you still strive, but you're not driven by raw survival fear. You choose projects because they matter, not just because they pay. You study because you're curious, not because you're terrified of falling behind. Most importantly, money stops being a moral scoreboard. You are not good because you have it, or bad because you don't. We may not live in this world yet, but you can start living with that mindset now. Seeing money as a tool, not a verdict. Building value, not just chasing numbers. Refusing to treat debt as your identity. Because the moment you stop letting money define your worth, you're already living in a world where money doesn't mean debt.